way for our new Vindicator!
Hey, Al. I got here as soon as I could.
Silence! Can't you see I'm trying to concentrate?
What are you doing? Clank, are you sure this is safe?
It is an acceptable risk.
Shh! I just need to close one more circuit.
Al, you're a genius! You did it!
I know.
No!
Looks like somebody broke the rules. Put it back on.
You're dead, Ace.
That's good. I like that spirit. But save it for the arena.
This never should have happened. It's all my fault.
No, Ratchet. Ace Heartlight did this, and Gleeman Vox gave the order.
They made a mistake bringing us here, Clank. Now they're gonna pay for it.
Exactly.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise. It's time to kill or be killed in the Annihilator round. Ratchet must survive under relentless attack from wave after wave of lethal enemies. Is in rare form tonight. Time to get silent but deadly.
Oh, please! Open a window!
Don't get excited, Juanita. I'm talking about the gas round, where Ratchet must defeat all the enemies before the toxic fumes snuff him out. Oh, baby, I love that smell. Announcer is impressed. Oh, he's looking a little unsteady. Some gladiators just can't handle their gas. challenge mode is downright nasty, Juanita. Our contestant must destroy every enemy without getting so much as a scratch. Should have his own fitness machine, his own shoes, his own fat-burning barbecue. Butcher of Bogon has his work cut out for him this time, Juanita. He starts the round with only a wrench for protection. The steak, folks, you sell the sizzle, and Ratchet is hot. Run, Ratchet, run!